white berry or blueberry.
Come on this side, buddy. Right over here. There you go. Now you can see.
They can give you all your shoulders.
I can give you a piggyback.
Piggyback wide. Giddy up.
No, I'm watching this.
Oh, I think I'm gone. I think I'm fine. It's like I want that shell.
Firework is exploring all of them.
It's not exploring. Now she's trying to get out. Now Liam is trying to get out. Firework is trying to get out. Well, Firework's not checking mine's shell. What? Well, Firework's not checking Rose's shell. Is the light good?
See,
I think I ran the top.
this crab is trying to get some space so that she can get in there without... See, she might go right now. What do you think, Herman? Is she gonna go?
She's gonna go. She's gonna go.
Looks like her front